So one of the exciting use cases, as we call them, for Phinity at the moment is around ISMS, Information Security Management System. So we've got a global security framework called ISO 27000, which requires organizations to have what's called an ISMS, an Information Security Management System. Now, we as on the consulting side of the business help clients understand what processes and controls and roles and responsibilities should be in place in the business. But often where things fall down is the actual day-to-day procedures. So we know that Joe Bloggs needs to do a logical access review on that application every 6 months, but sometimes the process to remind Joe Bloggs to do that and capture his results, that's where things fall over. So one of the exciting use cases that we've conducted at a client recently, where we've helped them develop their ISMS and build that into Phinity, whereby those controls are identified, the control owners are identified, and the workflows happen automatically to remind those people and to perform their tasks and to upload the evidence of those tasks. And then the auditors come at the end of the day and they can just review the system. So the system that we helped one of the big banks automate around their ISMS, that was audited, and the feedback we got from the auditors was that this was probably one of the simplest reviews that they had done, because everything was in one place. They could see what the controls were, what the controls owners were, who the control owners were, and have all the evidence at hand. What we've seen break down in clients before is that Joe Bloggs, who used to do that logical access, now resigns, and people forget that one of his jobs was to run that logical access. So by the time the auditors come, they're, oh gosh, this control hasn't been done, or there's no evidence, and that can lead to a lot of stress in the organization, where they're expecting to get audited and pass their ISO 27000 certification, but now there's certain key controls that are missing, and there's a huge scramble, and in some instances can lead to them actually not getting recertified.